Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial using Screencast-O-Matic to show how I would like for you to check out books from the book room this year. I will be checking them out for you and delivering them to you, so outside your door. So the very first thing is we're going to use Paulette Destiny website, click on Intermediate. I have the link inside the Canvas announcement that I'm going to be sending out. And so you don't have to log in. All you have to do is put in the name of the book. Say I'm going to select Fish in a Tree, and I search for that. So the things you need to look for is to make sure that it has the LEV and the level of what it is. So this tells you right here that this is a level W set in the book room. This book down here is actually a single copy in the library. So just to know. Then you come over here and click Add to List and say that's not the only book I need. I need to, I want to see Mockingbird. So I click on, I type in Mockingbird. You'll notice that this does not have an LEV, the very first one, so this is a single book in the library. However, this is a lit set right here, LEV, and that would be mine. So I add that to the list. So after I add those to the list, then I look for, I can just click on what is in this list. So I click right here. There's my list that I just created, and now I'm going to print that list. I don't have, I'm not going to actually print it. You click print that list, and then you can right click and print and save it as a PDF. And when you say that as a PDF, you type your last name so I know where it's going. Save that as a PDF, and then you can't see it on that screen that it's there, but then you'll take that and attach that to an email and send it to me. So I have all the information that I need to get that to you.